Ready to dive into a treasure trove of free courses hidden right inside Telegram? First things first, fire up your Telegram app. See that magnifying glass icon, usually in the top right corner on Android or the bottom right on iOS. That's your gateway to knowledge. Tap on it. Now think about the subject you're eager to learn. Let's say you want to learn Python. Type Python course, or even more specific, like Python for beginners, directly into the search bar. Telegram's search is pretty powerful, so be descriptive. Boom, a list of channels, groups, and even individual users related to your search term will pop up. Pay close attention to the names and descriptions. Look for channels that explicitly mention offering courses, tutorials, or learning resources. Now click on a channel or group that looks promising. Scroll through their recent messages to get a feel for the content they share. Are there actual lessons, helpful resources, or just spam? A good channel will offer valuable content right away. If you like what you see, hit that join button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations, you're now part of a learning community. Don't be shy. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and make the most of the resources available. Telegram groups are often filled with experienced learners and even instructors who are happy to help. Pro tip: always check for pinned messages. These are usually at the top of the chat and contain important information, links to course materials, or announcements. So there you have it. Finding courses on Telegram is all about using the search function effectively and joining the right communities. Happy learning!